Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. Today we'll be making goat meat pepper soup. I'll write down everything you need down at the comment section. So yeah, let's see what we need. But first thing first, I'm going to be making it in my Instant Pot. So you can use any pressure cooker that you have because it's so fast and the meat come out really nice and soft. And here are all my seasonings. I will just write down everything I used down at the comment section. So check the comment section, guys. I always use some red stew in my pepper soup. If I don't have any, then I just use some habanero with some tomatoes. I just cut them really small and then I'll just put some in there. So you can do that as well. So now I'm just adding all my seasonings. One thing I'm going to mention is make sure you add all your seasonings before you add the red stew or anything you're going to use. And then you add the red stew and then your curry. But just keep watching. You will see what I mean. And for the red stew, you don't need too much. I think I only added 2 tablespoons. So please don't put too much because we don't want it to come out in our pepper soup. And now I'm just adding my curry. By the way, if you live in US or Canada, my mom sells the best curry. It's organic, homemade. It will take your cooking to another level. So just shoot me a message and we can go from there. And now I'm just mixing everything together. And again, if you're using pressure cook, don't add any water. That water you're seeing is perfect. It's more than enough. Because my red stew is not spicy, so I'm going to add 1 habanero in there. And 45 minutes later, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to get into it. But anyways, you can always add some more seasonings here if you want. But if not, guys, our goat pepper soup is ready. And here's the final result, guys. This is perfect with any type of bread, or you can even fry some potatoes, or you can even eat it with rice, or you can eat it just like this. It's so delicious. I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube videos. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, see you in my next video.